Growing your wealth through passive income may appeal to you if you're worried about being able to save enough of your income to meet your retirement goals. Welcome back to another exciting video from WealthValue. Today's video is about 9 proven passive income ideas to make money in 2022. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Number 9. Start selling digital products. Selling digital goods has grown to be one of the most lucrative industries. A digital item nowadays is a type of asset or a form of media that consumers cannot hold in their hands. The beauty of this product is that, although being an intangible digital good, you can sell a single unit millions of times, and it will still be yours. Templates, plugins, and PDFs are examples of files that can be downloaded, streamed, or accessed online without a physical presence. Digital goods are fantastic in this way, sources of passive revenue to start this business. You only need to develop the asset once, after which you can sell it online several times. You can sell as many digital goods as you want without keeping any inventory or storing any storage space. Number 8. Teach online courses. Teachers may now more effectively than ever deliver courses online. There are a few limitations on how you can create and offer courses, whether they are about marketing, sketching, or business. However, teaching online requires an initial time commitment because you'll need to plan your course, film it, and generate tools that students can download, such as templates. On online learning platforms like yours, you can see people promoting their courses for sale. One recording is made. There is a chance that you will continue to have a reliable income even years from now if the course is worthwhile. In addition, you can develop your teaching platform and work with other professionals to develop a system that could eventually turn into a full-time enterprise. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. You may have encountered videos where the request to click the link in the description was made. Website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers can now earn passive money by promoting a third party's product by linking to it on their website or social media account. This practice is known as affiliate marketing. The most well-known affiliate partner is Amazon, while ShareASale and eBay are also well-known brands. In addition to YouTube, Instagram and TikTok have developed into sizable platforms for anyone looking to create a community and advertise their brand. You may also try creating an email list to draw people to your site or point them toward products and services they might find interesting. Many bloggers have made millions of dollars only through affiliate marketing. Number 6. Invest in real. Suppose you've listened to Robert Kiyosaki or Warren Buffett. They all agree that investing in real estate yields the best returns of any business or investment. Your investing in real estate used to be a challenging activity that required a lot of time, energy, and expertise. However, real estate investing software has made the process easier and feasible to start your real estate empire from home. If investing in real estate is out of your price range, you might think about investing in a real estate investment trust, REIT. These investments frequently pay out significant dividends and follow the stock market's performance. Of course, if you use this technique, the value of your investment will fluctuate precisely like the value of actual property. They are much simpler to purchase. Additionally, you can diversify your portfolio by making investments in several marketplaces. Number 5. Invest in dividend stocks. This is yet another fantastic method for generating steady passive money. You may make a lot of money if you invest in stocks that distribute big dividends to shareholders. Your shares' value will increase at the same time, though. You own them to benefit from dividends and capital gains as passive income. If you are not an expert in the stock market, you might consider hiring a broker or even robo-advisors for a reasonably passive investment strategy when you sell. Remember that investing carries a high level of risk, and you might lose more money than you put in. Therefore, we always seek professional advice before starting a portfolio of investments. Number 4. Sell stock photos online. One of the most significant drawbacks of running a service-based business like photography is that you must be present at events or sessions to earn money with photography, even if you're making a fortune. However, if you're a professional photographer or possess a high-end camera, you might earn extra money by selling pictures online. Other online media outlets like Pexel's Shutter will pay for excellent photos and films. Number 3. Flip retail products. People sell items they find elsewhere for a reasonable price via online sales platforms like eBay or Amazon. So creating passive income is great because you can arbitrage the price difference between your purchase and sell prices. Then you might be able to build a fan base of people who adhere to your deals. Number 2. Sponsored posts on social media. Do you have a sizable following on social media sites like Instagram or TikTok? If so, you might be able to solicit payments from emerging consumer businesses for posts about their goods or feature them in some other way on your feed. There are many Facebook sites and Instagram accounts. They are making a lot of money by promoting sponsored content on their platforms. Millions of marketers and investors have entered society in recent years thanks to this technique. As a result, it might be a fantastic passive revenue source for you as you engage in social media. Number 1. Rent your car. Depending on your region and the brand and model of your car, you could make money by leasing it to people while you're not using it if your car is merely lying on your drive. This money could be a significant source of income. Concept generation. you should look into renting an automobile if the thought appeals to you. Consider it the equivalent of Airbnb for automobiles. Renting out your driver's garage might bring in a sizable sum of money depending on where you live. Large cities will be incredibly lucrative. People will pay a premium for a safe, assured place to put their automobile since parking spaces are in high demand. This concludes today's video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.